Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome yet to another video. You're in Digital Micropreneur. In this channel, we talk about affiliate marketing, ways to make money online, and the mindset. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit that button that says subscribe. Also, hit the notification button and the bell notification button so you guys know when I release my videos, when I release them. And in this video, we are going to talk about how you guys can make up to $100 a day by sharing somebody else's YouTube videos. Yes, you are using somebody else's videos, okay? And the important thing that you need to know is like people in YouTube want more views. I always ask for you guys to share my videos because I want to get more views. I want to reach more people. So the more views these people get, you think they're actually gonna get mad at you because you're actually sharing their videos? No, they won't, because they're getting the views, they're getting probably new subscribers out of that, and they're making money on those videos. So this is the first thing we're gonna do. We're gonna go into my computer. I'm gonna show you exactly what we gotta do. And the first thing you're gonna enter is AdFly. Okay, and as you can see, I already have an account, so we gotta go into my account. So far I have earned like 4 cents. I only have share some of my links, but what these websites do is you actually are sharing the link, right? And before the person is sent to these videos, they're going to see an ad, and you are gonna get paid a few cents per ad. And then we're gonna go to a website that is called Websites Like AdFly. AdFly is a URL shortener service that will allow you to make money with links that you have in a website or social network. And you are required to earn 5 only before you get to pay. Okay, so the payment options are 1,000 views up to $9. Minimum payout $5, and you can get paid through PayPal, Pioneer, and you get paid daily. Okay, one of the other websites that you guys can use is Shorten URL. Okay, and you get paid. It's the same thing. Now it gives you 12 per 1,000 visits. Okay, so you are gonna be sharing these links all over the place, and people, every time they click, you're gonna be able to make money. So you need 1,000 views before you actually get paid. Okay, now as you can see, this is link shrink, and you pay 6 in each 1,000 views. So you guys can go join not only AdFly but a bunch of those different websites that will give you money for every time you share your link. And this is the way it works. And I think this is one of the best niches that you guys can go in, because not only working out is good for everyone, but you know, when you need motivation to actually work out, we gotta go into YouTube. Okay, and what you gotta do in YouTube, you gotta enter fitness motivation. Once you find fitness motivation, you know who this guy is. If you don't know who it is, then this guy is Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, and he's very insane with his workouts. He posts his videos on Instagram, but they also have this type of videos on YouTube where, you know, he's the type of motivation that everybody looks forward to. Like every time he works out, you know, he's very intense. So fitness buffs like me really like to see the type of workouts that he does, and not only to listen to him and be motivated. So this video is 23 seconds, okay? And what you are going to do is you're gonna click on share, right? And then you are gonna take this and you're gonna copy it, right? And then you're gonna go to AdFly, and then you are going to paste it. Now you're gonna shrink that, okay? So this is the one link that you are going to promote. Okay, so you're gonna hit on copy. Okay, now you're probably thinking, well, Carlos, where am I gonna go and put this? Well, one of the best places to go is into Facebook groups. Okay, and then you enter on Facebook Fitness Motivation. Look, this group has 54,000 members. Okay, and then you can just go join a bunch of these groups. All right, and then you're gonna click on Fitness Motivation, And then what you need to do, you're just not gonna paste your link right there, okay? Because they're probably gonna kick you out. But you know, you're gonna look at these videos and you're gonna see how many people actually click on here. And then what you wanna do is go look at the ones that are getting the most engagement, okay? There was 3, there's 9, okay? But yes, you can see they put all type of videos right there with motivation and everything. So every time you go into these groups, you are gonna go look to see what they're posting, and then you probably want to comment and you go, wow, this is a great video, and it motivates me to work harder. I watch a video from work harder, and I will like to share the video that motivates me the most. I hope to hear from you, right? And then you click on enter, right? And then the people that are engaged in it are going to see your answer, and then eventually they're gonna go and contact you. That's when you start sharing those links, right? And like I said, you're gonna do that in a lot of these groups. Look, this one has 59 members, 450 through. This one has over 5,000, 10,000 members, 314,000 members. And you know, you will use this website, Linktree, right? You can actually use this one and you do the same, right? You're gonna click and paste, and then this is gonna shorten your link, and this is the link that you guys are going to use. Okay, so it says over 300,000 earning users, and they are website blog owners, social media, and you know, Facebook groups are not the only ones that you actually can do. So we're gonna go to Google and we're gonna enter fitness forums, right? And then you're gonna look for all the forums that are about fitness, and then you're gonna go and let's click on this one. And then as you can see, topics 2,233. There's over 14,000 posts, and you can actually go on each one of these and look for something like motivation. See, like this one says newbie. This one says workout and diet and help, right? Motivation for mommy. So this one had over 2,000 views, over 2,259, 1,000. So you see there's a lot of traction here, and then you can just go in and write something, okay? Don't put your link right there, because the problem is gonna be people are gonna kick you out, right? They're not gonna allow you to put links on some of them. Some will, but this is a way that you guys can share your links. You know, there's plenty of places, you know, other places like Quora, you can actually have your Instagram account, you know, and just, you know, put pictures and then put that link on your actual profile and have people like, I have this motivation video and just motivation, and then click on this link so you guys can go watch that video that motivates me the most. You know, it's something very simple. You're using Instagram. You can actually do it on TikTok now that TikTok it's become big, right? You can actually in your profile add that link so people can go watch those videos, and you can just make quick posts on TikTok. So you know what, guys, you guys can make $100 with this, with, you know, people clicking on your links. Very simple, and you're not actually creating any videos. You're not doing anything but taking that link, shorten it, and send people to that. So I hope that this is something that you guys do create, you know, some traction with it, earn some money, and you will actually be helping people if you really think about it, because some of these people probably don't find this actual content, right? And you're basically giving them something to be motivated by if they want to lose weight or something like that. With that being said, guys, I hope that you like it. If you don't want to do this and you much rather do affiliate marketing using ClickBank products, I actually created a video series on how to do ClickBank products, and it's coming right after by the end of this video. Just stick to the end, click on that video and watch the 4 video series so you guys know how to promote products from ClickBank the right way. So with that being said, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.